Hey, fifth grade, we're going to take a look at Generation Genius. That's what we're going to be working with for our science here for a little while. There are a few things that we're going to be doing. The first lesson we're going to be taking a look at is a human body system. So it's kind of a review of some of the stuff that we've done, and then it goes a little further into depth. So there's about a 12-minute video that you're going to watch, and there'll be a link in the post on Google Classroom that also has this, and I'm actually showing you what it should look like to you guys. So at the very beginning, there's going to be a video. Obviously, I have it paused right here, but you'll play and you'll watch this. Once you've watched that about 12-minute video, you'll come down to the human body systems lesson materials. Okay? You can read through this part if you want, what you learn from this video, but then there's some discussion questions. I know this says before the video, but I want you just to look over these questions and see if you can answer them. Just try the best that you can. There's some before video, and then there's after video. Okay? Then what I want you to do with these questions is make sure that you are able to answer them. What I want you to do with those answers is either you can create a Google Docs and you can write the answers that you have for each one of these, just numbering like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and answering each one. Or you can write the question and write your answer to it. And if you don't want to use Google Docs, you could also do it in your science notebook and take pictures and post it to our Seesaw. I'm fine with either one. If you do go the route of Google Docs, make sure that you share it with me once you've given it the name, Human Body Systems, and then you put your name after that. Okay? Then once you've answered these questions, you don't need to look at the vocabulary, you don't need to look at the reading material, you don't need to look at the do-it-yourself activity guide, but what you need to do is you need to go to online quiz game. Once you click that online quiz game, you need to click play individually. Unfortunately, we won't be able to play as a class because I don't know if we'll have everyone on time in here being able to do the Kahoot. In the future, we might try to do some Kahoots as a class, but you'll have to do play individually. You'll click that and you'll go through and you'll play it for a little while. Just do the best that you can with that and let me know how that goes. So again, you need to watch about the 12-minute video. You need to read through these questions and you need to write down the best answers that you can come up with. You can either do it on a Google Docs and you can share it with me, remember, with the title, Human Body Systems, and then your name. Or you can write all of these down in your science journal and you can take pictures of them and you can share it to me on Seesaw. Once you're done with that, you go to the online quiz game and you go to play individually. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Best of luck. We're going to be using this format for the majority of time that we're going to be doing science lessons here for the rest of the year. So hopefully we can get pretty well versed with it and we end up liking it. We'll also be doing some more projects as well. All right. Best of luck and let me know if you need anything.